Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and once again, we are back in the new kitchen. We've moved, new location, new set, new films, and we're doing some unboxing. Today we're doing a very special unboxing of Avatar: The Way of the Water, or Avatar 2. It's the 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray digital access code, unlimited limited edition lenticular packaging, only at Walmart edition. Gotta tell you a funny story. Initially, I ordered the pre-order for this from Amazon, and dang it, if Amazon did not push it back until July 20th, almost a month after released, I was not willing to wait for it. So I went ahead and ordered it from Walmart, and I actually got it on June 18th, 2 days before it was due out. So I am filming this today on the 19th, the day before it releases, so you guys can get a quick look at it and make your decision on where you want to get it from. We're going to go ahead and jump right into it, but as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Feel free to reach out to me on the socials, as well as patreon.com/Jesse the Couch Movie Critic. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Boom, and here we go. We're going to start at the front. What does that say right there, Bells?
Only at Walmart.
4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray and digital code. Ultimate limited edition lenticular packaging. Avatar: The Way of the Water. Great photo of Jake and Neytiri and their new family, or at least two of them. The animals and stuff floating. Are those pretty, Bells?
Yeah, they're pretty.
Yeah, isn't it cool how it's got that triple lenticular thing where it kind of shifts? I kind of hope there'd be a little bit more. It does give a nice 3D effect. 4 times sharper than HD. Return to Pandora. It's only the movie, as always, for the 4K stuff. Includes over 3 hours of bonus features. Use Movies Anywhere to redeem your digital code. On the side here, we've got the Ultra HD Blu-ray. Beautiful sky logo. Avatar kind of wraps around from the front. 20th Century Studios, which I almost said 20th Century Fox. Oops, sorry, Disney. I don't work for you, so I don't care. Then there's another picture there of some guy with an arrow. Same on the left side, as you can see. On the back, let's take a look here. Got a great shot, again, of some of the children from both the tribes. I won't say the names. I'll let you watch it. If you haven't, see it. It's a fantastic movie. Forget the haters. A lot of these people are like saying, oh, nobody asked for Avatar 2. Let me tell you something. The fans who watched it the first time around and were amazed by it, we did. So the rest of y'all could suck it up. The money speaks for itself. The movie's worth watching. Beyond Dazzling by Owen Gilbertson from Variety. James Cameron returns to the world of Pandora in this emotionally packed action adventure set more than a decade after the events of the first film. The breathtaking new movie launches the story of the Sully family and introduces audience to the majestic ocean Tulkun. 3D set includes over 3 hours of bonus features. Disc 1's the 4K Ultra HD Avatar: Way of the Water. What's this to?
This to a 4K Ultra HD Avatar: Way of Water.
Well, now that she told us what it was on disc 1, we'll just go back to disc 2, which is Blu-ray, The Avatar: Way of the Water. Disc 3, Blu-ray bonus features, including the new characters of Pandora, challenges of Pandora's water, bringing Pandora to life, Pandora's returning characters, and so much more. The 4K Ultra HD only includes the movie, which includes the Ultra Play, 4K resolution, HDR, and so on. The rest of the content's going to be on the other discs, which are Blu-ray based. You've got a digital code, which you can download and stream Movies Anywhere and link to your Vudu and all the other types of services, plus all the standard spec stuff. Let's go ahead, kiddo. You want to go ahead and do the... I'm going to open this first part. You can do the inside part, okay?
All right.
So we're going to go ahead and be very careful because it's got that lenticular art cover that I want to protect. Hopefully not damage anything too much. So we're going to cut it open from the bottom. I like that it's not that. It's that softer plastic. Makes it a little easier to stretch and tear. So let's go ahead and drop right there. That really, I don't know if you guys could see it, but the lenticular art really pops once you get that first layer of plastic. I know there's some reflection there, but as you can see, it's kind of cool the way it shifts and shimmies. Let's go ahead and pull the sleeve off. Let's take a look at the sleeve. Oh, wow. The sleeve has got the bulk of the content. When we actually take it off, the sleeve exposes you to a beautiful shot of them flying ikrans over the water. And then, let's see here. What does that say on the top, Bose?
James Cameron returns to the world of Pandora in this emotionally packed action adventure, set more than a decade after events of the first film. This breathtaking new movie launches the story of the Sully family and introduces audiences to the majestic oceans
of Tulkun and Beyond Dazzling. So it's pretty much what's up here on the top, but it is such a gorgeous actual image. I love the way the whole thing just kind of wraps around, and then you got that lenticular front, which is just really cool. Kind of looks like Neytiri's pissed at Jake. I mean, that's not uncommon in this film. But let's go ahead and take the sleeve off. And oh, wow, look at that. We got another cover here. So now we've got a different back, a different front to the film here. Let's take a look. And this is a great shot of the kids in the film. I won't give you anybody's names. Some of the other aquatic creature, the Ultimate Collector's Edition, The Way of the Water. I love that it's on digital, because let me tell you, the first Avatar was not included a digital copy, so you got to buy that separately. And then all of the same stuff that is on the back of the sleeve here. The only difference is that it doesn't have the same upper. It does say return to the magnificent world of Pandora in this emotionally packed action adventure, which makes sense because the stuff that's on the top of the sleeve is now on the back of the outer sleeve. So it's like sleeve upon sleeve. Great way to save the world, guys, with all that cardboard. Let's go ahead. Let's flip it over here, and we're going to go ahead and use some movie magic. I'll get these extra sleeves out of the way, but use some movie magic to go ahead and get the digital code. And here we go. Let's pop it open. And what do we got on the inside? On the inside, we have another beautiful shot of characters. I gotta admit, they took a lot of time to putting some absolutely amazing work into this. Listen, I've heard some people say, the special effects and it should have been even better. What were you expecting? These special effects are photoreal. Please do me a favor. Go watch The Flash in theater or on Blu-ray when it comes out and tell me that the special effects are not amazing when you compare it to films like that with billion-dollar budgets. But anyway, great shot right here of Sigourney Weaver's characters, one of the new aquatic animals. Avatar, the way of the movie, the 4K Ultra HD movie with the 20th Century and Lightstorm logos, the features, runtime, and so on. On the left, we have here the digital code for the film, The Way of the Water. Redeem your digital code. Another thing, I've always talked about how much I love movies anywhere. Thank you for fixing that, Bells. I love movies anywhere. But one thing I always tell you guys is to link it to your Vudu and so on. Don't forget, if you've got a Disney Movies Insider program, it is a great rewards program from Disney. If you get a lot of Disney content, which, you got Avatar, Star Wars, Marvel, Disney, man, link that to your Movies Anywhere. Link it also to your Atom. If you buy your movie tickets through Atoms, it's a great way to build up points and link your Disney Plus to the movies. Disney Movie Insiders. Great way to get some free content. We've got some great stuff. Bella's got hats from WandaVision, the Eternals. Well, I've got Ant-Man. I've got a duffel bag from Ant-Man. We've got stuffed animals, Dante in the elevator. It's great. Do it, especially if you're doing the Movies Anywhere. Take advantage because you're going to kill two birds with one stone. Just by putting your digital code in, it automatically lets Disney Movies Anywhere know, and you get points for it. A couple hundred points usually for the movie tickets, a couple hundred points for the films as well if you're buying them. So it's definitely worth doing it, guys. Let's go ahead and take a look on the left-hand side. Bells, thank you very much. He fixed the left side. This is the Blu-ray. This is the movie side of things. Which I find really interesting because this says here on the back of the case of the slip, this 3 bonus features include, but I am only seeing 2 discs. So now I'm wondering, oh, no, never mind. There we go. There is that missing 3rd disc. That is the weirdest case structure I have ever seen in my life. Usually there's like a fold out or some kind of warning that there's 2 discs, but no, there we go. Underneath the 4K copy of the film is the bonus features of The Way of the Water, which is really just odd that that's stuffed under there. You would think that'd be under the Blu-ray or that would have its own place, but no, that is, now got me wondering if there's like another space. Jesus Christ, these things are hard to open. There we go. But there you go. There are your 3 discs. Your 4K movie, your the Blu-ray movie, and then your bonus feature. I love the cover of the bonus feature. It's actually some of the artist renderings of some of the aquatic creatures. Again, I'm not going to give away anything. I want this to be spoiler-free. I want you guys to enjoy the movie because it is an awesome movie. I'm going to probably be upfront with you. I'm going to put the bonus disc over here in the 2 movies stack. That way it's easier to find the 2 movies than anything else. But that's pretty much everything. Really, really excited to revisit the world of Pandora. Elaine, the couch movie girlfriend, was actually out of the country when Bella and I went to go see Avatar. So she wasn't able to see it with us. So she is actually looking forward to being able to watch it on digital. And here we go. There is our copy. Super excited about it. Glad to have it a day early, 2 days early actually, but a day early where we could watch it. But that's everything that's included with it, guys. I think it's a great addition to the collection. I think the only at Walmart edition is fantastic, other than that weird placement on the discs. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Feel free to reach out to me on the socials as well as on patreon.com/Jesse the Couch Movie Critic. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great night.